Some breaking news is coming in right now. Security has been heightened in Srinagar area after a joint operation has been launched by the Indian Army and the Jammu and Kashmir police. Let's go ahead and see this update coming in. Encounter breaks out in Srinagar. One terrorist, I repeat, one terrorist has been killed. One terrorist has been neutralized. All roads going towards the encounter site have been sealed by police. One terrorist killed in the encounter with security forces. I want to go across to my colleague joining us who will get us the update from the ground. Zeenat joining us live from Srinagar. Zeenat, over to you. What is happening right now? What's the status of this operation, this encounter? Where is this taking place? And how many terrorists are still believed to be hiding?
See, Shivani, this all started yesterday evening after the joint forces got an report about the movement of the terrorists in the upper belt of Dachigam. This is the area that falls in the outskirts and is usually controlled by the 50 RR of Indian Army. Although in this operation, the Srinagar police is also part and is assisting in the operation. This is the upper belt of Dachigam forest bridge. It's a wildlife sanctuary where this all is taking place, and this access connects you to the South Kashmir. The army had received an input about the presence of the terrorists. The joint forces launched in Kaso, and yesterday when the party was reaching near to the suspected spot, the hiding terrorists fired upon the security forces. Though at around 2:30 in the morning, the operation was halted to wait for the first ray of the sun because it was completely dark. Though during the exchange of the fire, there were the reports that a terrorist had been gunned down. But seeing the atmosphere which has the weather conditions have turned completely chilly because this is the winter time in Kashmir and the light had gone completely down. Though many these lights were erected by the army and others, the search lights were erected to see that they were able to see where the dead body is lying. But in the morning only, around 3:30 or the 4 in the morning, the first dead body had been recovered by the joint forces. This is a clear operation of 50 RR of Indian Army who have been looking for these terrorists for almost 1 month. The recce was going on, being carried by the army, and also in the lower belt of the Dachigam, it was being assisted by the Srinagar police. So clear-cut victory coming to the Indian Army in the Dachigam belt, where they were able to neutralize the terrorists. Although there are the reports that are coming in that the one M4 rifle, 2 have been recovered, but yes, we are waiting for the official confirmation. As of now, we see the search is still continuing in the area, as there have been the reports that the movement of the terrorists in number were observed by the joint forces.
Right. Well, thank you for joining us there with all those details. Zeenat, I will be coming back to you as we keep getting more updates on this latest encounter which has broken out. We have to move ahead right now to some of the other stories we are tracking.